Do you want to earn a lot of money without a diploma? For example, because you don't feel like studying? Maybe you are not the best student, or you don't think it would be a good idea to spend 5 years in a school for a diploma. You might be looking online to estimate what your chances are. Let me get straight to the point. Indeed, you don't need a diploma to earn a lot. Of course, you have to have a healthy dose of perseverance and be eager to learn. No one ever got rich doing nothing. If this is your attitude too, read on quickly to choose the best way to make money for yourself. Can you earn a lot of money without a diploma? I've just given it away. Yes, this is very possible. A diploma often only gets in the way, in fact. I have also experienced this myself. After I had completed an MBO course, I also wanted to do an HBO course because it would be easier to find a good job. Could make more money. Many people around me followed the same path and also built up a substantial student debt of tens of thousands of dollars. I also had to loan some money, but luckily I worked alongside my studies and it was no more than a few $1,000s. Because once I finished after 5 years, the demand for people with my education was many times smaller than when I started my education. In the end, I had to get started through the employment agency, and I ended up with jobs that were barely worthy of diploma. Why am I telling you all this? When you go to college, the thought may very quickly come to mind that you are going to make a lot of money without any effort. After all, you will soon have that important piece of paper, right? Thus, you put yourself in a position where you don't get the attitude of a warrior. Everything has to come to you. You don't have to go after anything. In addition, any study will easily take you 5 years. In comparison, just imagine what you could achieve in 5 years if you were building a business or trying to make money online. You do not need to have a diploma. All you have to do is fight to get ahead, and you will progress faster than somebody with a diploma. Here are 5 ways you can start making money right now without a diploma. All you need is the right mindset, and you will be successful. Number 1, making money with affiliate marketing. Although I do have a diploma, affiliate marketing is something I earned some of my money with. All while I never had to get a diploma to get started. But it went as it did, and I would like to remind you that you can earn a lot of money through this without a diploma. You can set it up completely on your own. You do not need permission from anyone, and certainly no paper. All the information you need for this can be found on the internet. Let me briefly explain how it works. Number 1, you're going to promote someone else's product online. Number 2, for this you will receive a personal link to the product. Number 3, if people buy the product via your link, you will automatically receive a commission. You just need to promote. Fulfillment, shipping, and customer service are all the responsibility of the seller. It sounds very easy, and it is. Sometimes the commission you receive can be up to 60% of the sale price. Especially with digital products, the commissions can be high, but physical products are also fun to promote. Number 2, get started on social media today. Social media can no longer be ignored in our daily life. Few people do not have any social media accounts. If someone is not on Facebook, he or she is a member of Instagram, Twitter, or Pinterest. I have said it before, there is a lot of money to be made where there are many people. And the great thing is that earning a lot of money without a diploma is also within reach. Everyone can open an account on a social media channel and get a lot of followers on it. It's a matter of starting and not stopping. This may go so fast at first, but eventually you will be picked up and get a following, as long as you keep posting consistently. Number 1, choose a clear topic for your account. Number 2, the more specific your followers, the easier you can make money from them. Number 3, above all, give a lot of value and only then try to sell something. Number 4, keep learning about the type of social media you use. Number 5, don't stop until you are successful. Make an agreement with yourself that you post content on your account 1 or more times every day for at least 6 months or even a year. Keep doing this, even if the results are not forthcoming at first. Stick to this rule and see what it will bring if you keep this up consistently. Number 3, create a website? Me? Create a website? Yes, You can also create a website really easily. Nowadays, it is so simple that even grandpas and grandmas can do this. So can you. There are several ways to earn a lot of money without a diploma. Number 1, you start a web shop. Number 2, you create a comparison site. Number 3, you create a blog website for yourself. Number 4, make websites for others and get paid for it. Number 5, make money with a blog with a website that contains a blog. You can create blog articles. If you add more and more articles on a certain topic, you will get more and more visitors to your website. If you are going to create a website yourself, you really do not need a diploma for this. Everything you need to know about this can be found on the internet. Number 4, start your own business. Maybe you are waiting until you get a genius, innovative idea. Don't wait any longer for this. That idea is really not going to come to you by waiting. Just start in a direction that you really like. Do you like nature? Start as a gardener. Do you like computers? Go fix computers. Does tidying up make you happy? Offer yourself as a cleaner. Do you enjoy DIY? Become an all-around handyman. The above examples are all companies that you can start without a diploma. Does it matter to you whether the person who fixes your computer has a diploma or not? As long as it doesn't cost too much and he does it again, right? Start in your own circle of acquaintances so that you develop word-of-mouth advertising and expand slowly. Eventually, you might be able to hire staff, expand from computers to repair phones, and build a whole electronics empire. Number 5, earning a lot of money fast does not exist. Although making a lot of money without a diploma is very feasible, no one will achieve this within a few weeks. Even with a diploma, everyone will first have to prove their worth before a large sum of money is paid in return. So don't be tempted by all kinds of quick money methods. If something seems too good to be true, it often is. There is no shortcut to a fat wallet. Anyone who has honestly made a fortune has had to work hard for this. You can earn money with work that really feels like work. Work where you look forward to the weekends and where you, simply put, live for the holidays. But there is also work that you really enjoy doing. Work where it is okay to get up early or continue late. Work where you look forward to Monday morning to get back to work. Find such a job, and you will soon feel like a rich person. If you want to know more financial tips like these, be sure to give this video a like and click subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.